I see Orange Kid is here sleeping. Oh, how nice. Hi. I'll bring you some breakfast, okay? We're good kitties. You're right there, kid. Good morning, Shady. Come on up here. Come on up here. Come on up here. You can do it. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Here, let me put your plate here for you. Does that look good? Oh, go talk to yourself. Thanks for coming. I'm glad you do come. You know, I need to know that you're okay. Yeah, poor little kid. Alright. Okay, enjoy your breakfast. It's pretty hot out here already. You can sleep in the gardens. We're fine with that. Yes, we are. Totally fine. Okay, honey? Have a good day. Now the kid is trying to leave quietly. Well, Penny is not. She is not too happy to see him.